Have you ever had a hunch, a feeling deep down that told you what to do? Maybe it was a subtle nudge or a sudden realization. That's your gut instinct, your intuition speaking. We all have it, though we often overlook its significance. It's that inner voice, whispering guidance even when logic fails us. It's like an internal compass, always pointing us in the right direction. In the daily whirlwind of decisions, big and small, gut feelings can be our secret weapon. They cut through the noise and provide clarity. From choosing the right career path to navigating complex relationships, our intuition plays a vital role. It helps us make decisions that align with our true selves. It's not about magic, but a blend of experience, emotion, and subconscious processing. Our brains are constantly gathering and analyzing information, even when we're not aware of it. Think of it as a shortcut. Years of accumulated wisdom distilled into a single, powerful feeling. It's like having a personal advisor who knows you better than anyone else. In the business world, gut feelings can mean the difference between sealing the deal and missing out. They can guide us through complex negotiations and help us read between the lines. In our personal lives, they can guide us towards fulfilling relationships and away from harmful situations. They help us sense when something is off, even if we can't pinpoint why. Don't underestimate the power of that inner voice. It might just hold the key to unlocking your full potential. Trust it, nurture it, and let it guide you. So how do gut feelings work? What's the science behind these seemingly magical hunches? The answer lies deep within our brains, in a fascinating interplay of neurons, emotions, and memories. Neuroscience tells us that our brains are constantly processing information even when we're not consciously aware of it. The amygdala, the brain's emotional center, and the basal ganglia, responsible for habit formation, play key roles in shaping our intuition. Remember that time you had a sudden feeling of unease about a new acquaintance? That was your amygdala picking up on subtle cues, perhaps a fleeting facial expression or a change in tone, and sending a warning signal. Our brains are wired to recognize patterns and make lightning-fast judgments, often before our conscious mind can catch up. Not all gut feelings are created equal. They come in various forms, each with its own unique message and purpose. Sometimes our intuition manifests as a burst of confidence, a surefire sign that we're on the right track. This type of gut feeling often fills us with a sense of certainty and clarity. Other times it whispers caution, urging us to proceed with care. This cautious intuition can be subtle, but it's essential for navigating complex situations. Recognizing these different types of gut instincts can help us interpret their messages more effectively. By tuning into our inner voice, we can make more informed decisions. Positive intuition feels like a surge of excitement, a knowing that a particular decision or path is the right one. This feeling often brings a sense of joy and anticipation. It's that feeling of alignment, of everything clicking into place. When we experience this, it's as if the universe is giving us a green light. This type of intuition often leads us towards new opportunities and fulfilling experiences. It encourages us to explore and take risks that can lead to personal growth. Warning signals, on the other hand, feel like a knot in our stomach, a sense of unease or doubt. These feelings are hard to ignore and often signal that something isn't right. They're our internal alarm system, alerting us to potential dangers or missteps. Paying attention to these signals can prevent us from making costly mistakes. These signals are crucial for avoiding harmful situations and making sound judgments. They help us stay safe and make decisions that protect our well-being. Then, there are neutral hunches, gut feelings that don't necessarily signal good or bad, but simply offer a sense of direction. These hunches can guide us when we're at a crossroads, helping us choose the best path forward. But when should we trust our gut? How do we know if that inner voice is leading us astray or guiding us towards our highest good? The key is to understand the situations where our intuition tends to be most accurate. When we have significant experience in a particular area, our gut feelings are often more reliable. Years of accumulated knowledge and pattern recognition become embedded in our subconscious, allowing us to make quick, intuitive judgments. High-stakes decisions, where time is of the essence and overthinking can lead to paralysis, are another prime opportunity to lean into our intuition. In these moments, our gut can cut through the noise and help us make the best decision possible with the information available. Ambiguous situations, where data is limited or conflicting, also call for a healthy dose of intuition. Honing your inner compass. Just like any skill, intuition can be developed and strengthened with practice. By cultivating a deeper connection with our inner selves and paying attention to the subtle whispers of our subconscious, we can make our gut feelings even more accurate and reliable. One powerful way to hone your intuition is to reflect on past decisions. When did your gut lead you towards success? When did it steer you wrong? By analyzing these experiences, we can begin to identify patterns and triggers that influence our intuitive judgments. Another key is to cultivate mindfulness. By practicing meditation or simply paying closer attention to our breath and bodily sensations, we become more attuned to our inner voice. Mindfulness helps us differentiate between genuine intuition and fleeting emotions or anxieties. Intuition and logic, a powerful partnership. Some people may view intuition and logic as opposing forces, but in reality, they are complementary. When combined effectively, they create a powerful decision-making duo. Intuition can provide the spark, the initial hunch, while logic helps us evaluate and refine that hunch, ensuring it aligns with our goals and values. Think of it as a two-step process. First, tune into your gut feeling. What is it telling you? Then, engage your analytical mind. Gather information, weigh the pros and cons, and consider potential consequences. This dual process approach allows us to make informed decisions that are both rational and aligned with our deepest selves. Don't dismiss your gut feelings as irrational impulses. Instead, view them as valuable data points, insights from your subconscious mind that can enhance your decision-making process. Gut feelings in action. The applications of gut feelings are far-reaching, impacting our lives in ways we may not even realize. From the boardroom to the art studio, from navigating complex negotiations to choosing a life partner, intuition plays a crucial role. In the business world, leaders often rely on their gut to make quick decisions in fast-paced environments. Entrepreneurs often cite intuition as a key factor in their success, guiding them towards innovative ideas and strategic partnerships. In personal relationships, our intuition helps us assess compatibility, navigate conflicts, and build deeper connections. That feeling of instant rapport you experience with someone? That's your gut telling you that you're on the same wavelength. Beware the pitfalls. While gut feelings can be powerful allies, it's important to be aware of their potential pitfalls. Our intuition is not infallible, and blindly following our gut without critical thinking can lead us astray. One common pitfall is bias. Our past experiences, beliefs, and even our mood can cloud our judgment, leading to inaccurate gut feelings. Confirmation bias, for example, can cause us to favor information that confirms our existing beliefs, even if it contradicts our intuition. Another danger is overconfidence. While it's important to trust our gut, it's equally crucial to acknowledge its limitations. In unfamiliar situations, or when dealing with high stakes, it's essential to gather information, seek expert advice, and carefully consider all angles before making a decision. Fine-tuning your gut decisions. Like any skill, mastering the art of gut decisions takes practice and fine-tuning. Just as a musician hones their craft through hours of practice or an athlete trains rigorously to perfect their performance, we too must dedicate time and effort to refine our intuitive abilities. By developing self-awareness, cultivating mindfulness, and adopting a balanced approach that integrates intuition and logic, we can make our gut feelings even more reliable and empowering. Self-awareness helps us understand our internal signals, while mindfulness keeps us present and attentive to these signals. Combining these with logical analysis ensures our decisions are well-rounded. One helpful technique is to pause and reflect before acting on a gut feeling. This pause allows us to step back and assess the situation more clearly, giving our intuition the space to surface without the noise of immediate reactions. Take a few deep breaths, quiet your mind, and ask yourself, what is this feeling based on? Deep breathing helps calm the mind, making it easier to connect with our inner voice and discern the origins of our gut feelings. Does it align with my values and goals? Reflecting on our core values and long-term goals ensures that our gut decisions are not only instinctive but also aligned with our broader life objectives. Is there any evidence to support or contradict this hunch? Seeking evidence helps validate our gut feelings, providing a rational basis for our intuitive insights. Another tip is to experiment with small decisions. By starting with minor choices, we can test and refine our intuitive skills in low-stakes situations. Start by trusting your gut on minor matters, like choosing a restaurant or deciding what to wear. These everyday decisions provide a safe space to practice and learn from our intuitive responses. As you experience the outcomes of these decisions, you'll gain confidence in your ability to interpret your intuition. Each successful decision reinforces our trust in our gut feelings, building a positive feedback loop. Remember, trusting your gut is not about abandoning reason or logic. It's about creating a harmonious balance where intuition and rational thought work together. It's about integrating the wisdom of your subconscious mind with the power of conscious thought. This integration allows us to tap into a deeper level of understanding and make more informed decisions. By honing our intuition and using it as a compass to navigate the complexities of life, we can unlock our full potential and make decisions that lead to greater fulfillment and success. Trusting our gut, when balanced with reason, can guide us through life's challenges and opportunities with confidence and clarity.